Hello and welcome back to another video by yours truly. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful Oris bronze watch, the Carl Brashear limited edition Diver 65 in all bronze. I believe this is one of the first full bronze watches from Oris, and it is truly an amazing and beautiful watch, as you can see from the screen right here. I decided to buy this watch because I kind of got tired of all my stainless steel watches feeling the same and not really changing over time, other than just adding more scratches on it. Bronze is a much more interesting material because it will age and patina with you over time. And my goal by buying this watch is really to remove the patina and have it patina with me. So this is the patina that the previous owner has imparted on this watch. As you can see right here, the areas that touches the skin more often, for example, around the crown right here, when you operate the crown with this sweat and oil from the hands, will have a little bit more staining or patina around it, whereas the areas that don't touch the skin very often, like here, you can see more of the original finishing. Of course, the area that touches the skin the most, with the sweat and skin oils evaporating, as you can see right here, a lot more staining, a lot more patina, especially with the buckle right here. If you leave it for even longer, it'll become, green right here, just kind of like a lot of those bronze statues that you might see in your city. So my goal right here is to just remove the previous owner's patina and start anew and have the watch patina with me. And really, it is a unique relationship that the user can have with a bronze watch, because the bronze will age and change color according to how you use it, versus let's say a stainless steel watch that will stay the same color, will just accumulate more scratches. It's not that this watch doesn't accumulate a lot of scratches. You can see there's some scratches right here around the lugs. There's a little slash right here on the sapphire crystal, but it is kind of like the beauty of this watch. And especially, as you'll see on my full review of this watch, the man that this watch is dedicated to, Carl Brashear, overcame a lot of adversity to become a United States Navy diver, and it is truly a testament to resilience and not giving up despite you being down. Actually, you can see from his motto right here, it is a sin to it is not a sin to get knocked down, it is a sin to stay down. So really inspiring quote here from the late Carl Brashear. And I don't mind the little scratches right here on the case and the little slash on the sapphire, because it just, the whole point of a bronze watch is this like old or rugged, imperfect, piece of art that is on your wrist that will age with time. So by nature, bronze will never be as uniform as something like stainless steel, because it will always age even right after cleaning it, right? For example, this one, if I just leave it like that and wear it, it will maybe get some scratches, but the color will stay the same. Whereas for the bronze right here, it will really change over time. And if you leave it for even longer, the whole case can develop a beautiful green patina, just like on the buckle right here. And some people try to accelerate it. I don't think I'm going to try to accelerate the bronze aging. I'm just going to clean it up and wear it and then see what comes of it. And I will be doing more updates with this watch in the future to show you guys how the watch patinas over time. So before cleaning, as you can see, I have a plastic sheet right here because I'm not in my kitchen. If I was in my kitchen, I wouldn't need to have this because I have a wood table. I don't want the vinegar right here to touch the wood table. So this is why I have a plastic thing underneath. I'm going to be just removing the buckles from the watch straps. These are bronze buckles, of course. This is a 16 millimeter buckle, and this is an 18 millimeter buckle. All right, so in order to do this, you need vinegar, salt, ultrasoft, ultra souple toothbrush, as well as a little spoon to mix the mixture, and ideally some gloves, because I'm pretty sure vinegar is not very good for your skin. And of course, before we start, make sure that the crown is screwed in so that the vinegar doesn't get into your watch. That is going to be an expensive repair if vinegar gets into your watch. All right, so the first step, put some salt in the little bowl, and then put some vinegar. I don't know the exact proportion of this. I just saw a video of this on Oris's website. This is like the Oris official version on how to clean your bronze watch. I know there's other versions where you use lime juice, baking soda, and whatever, but I am using the official Oris sanctioned way of cleaning this watch. If you want to watch that original video, you can go take a look. They kind of show the fast version where they don't really show, you know, the result of it. But I just wanted to show you guys, you know, a real example with a real watch of me doing it right in front of your face for your entertainment and your education. So we got a vinegar and salt mixture right here. And I'm going to be opening up this toothbrush to show you guys. We're going to be mixing up this little mixture. We have the vinegar right here, toothbrush right here. Just make sure that the crown is screwed in. And then just take the toothbrush, just like in that Oris video, and brush the... Oh my God, it comes off right away. Oh, wow. Did you see that? Do you see that? Wow. Okay, I thought it was going to be harder. I thought I was going to have to soak the watch in the vinegar, but look at that. It comes off like super fast. And you can really see the difference. You can see here, this thing didn't touch the vinegar. And this, wow. Okay, I didn't know it was going to be that easy. Okay, wow, okay. So there you have it. It's very easy. You can just remove the vinegar, remove the patina with this vinegar and salt mixture. And you can see it's almost instantaneous. I'm not even like putting that much pressure on the toothbrush, to be honest. And it just comes off right away. You can see right here, I'm gonna do a little zoom in shot for you guys. You can see there's a lot of patina right here at the lugs, and all you gotta do is a little bit of a brushing. Kind of hard to do this on camera, but I'll show you guys. Okay, now this doesn't go off as easily because I think there's a little bit more right here at the lugs. But wow, it really makes the watch shine. And all right, so yeah, just keep doing this. Make sure you don't accidentally unscrew the crown, of course, and keep brushing it and remove the patina. Maybe I shouldn't have gone ultra soft because this is like way too soft. Maybe if you were to do this, get just a soft toothbrush, because ultra soft is not really brushing it that well. I feel like it's kind of stubborn. And what they say is to rinse it immediately. So I'm gonna complete this in the kitchen because I'm gonna need to rinse the watch, and I will be right back. Just a little quick update right here. Kind of messed up with the vinegar. You have to rinse the watch really fast or else it becomes black right away. So I'm trying another method. This is the method to buy just one more watch from JOMW. So I put the watch in a vinegar and a little bit of water mixture inside a bowl for 15 minutes, and then we'll see the results after that.
A few moments later.
All right, so here is the result. As you can see, it is super shiny. Not quite factory shiny, but super shiny compared to before. I'm going to be putting up the footage side by side. So here is the front of the watch, the dial, as well as the bezel. The side of the watch, a lot shinier. The crown side as well. I wasn't able to, like clean the underside of the crown because I'm too scared of, unscrewing the crown by accident. So there's still some patina left under the crown. The underside, the patina was super heavy. So it was a little bit more difficult to remove the patina. So just vinegar and toothbrush alone was not enough. I even tried vinegar and baking soda and soaking it in the vinegar for like 15 minutes. That still was not enough. I'm going to be putting the video up on the screen of the result. After that, there was still a lot of patina on the watch. And what did the trick was that after the vinegar treatment, to use a toothbrush and toothpaste to completely remove the harder to remove patinas on the watch. To be honest, I could have probably repeated the whole process a couple more times to remove, these extra persistent patinas, but I'm pretty satisfied with the result right here, especially the bezel and the front of the watch being like super shiny as it is. Of course, I learned a lot from this video. I thought, I could just use salt and vinegar, that would be it, but that's not enough. So I'm going to be putting the videos that taught me how to clean this watch down in the description section below. There's going to be the Oris official video with salt and vinegar, just one more watches video with a lime juice and toothbrush, and then another gentleman on YouTube that uses ketchup and then toothbrush and toothpaste, and that did the trick. Toothbrush and toothpaste was the thing that was able to finally get it sparkling shiny, as you can see from the screen. So if you're owner of a bronze watch, please let us know your pro tricks on how to maintain a bronze watch down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe for more videos. The full unboxing and review of this Oris Carl Brashear limited edition is going to be coming up soon. So let's finish this video with a beautiful wrist shot from this Aaron Bespoke Python leather strap, of course with the original Oris buckle. So thank you very much for watching. Do not hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, take care, guys.